Have you heard of Rolex before? Definitely not the wristwatch. Rolex is a popular Uganda street food that is made with eggs and vegetable. This recipe was born out of creativity by a chapati maker in Uganda. So guys, join me, let me show you all how you made it. To make the Rolex, I started by making a flat bread known as chapati. I transferred about 1 cup of all-purpose flour to a mixing bowl, after which I added half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of sugar to the flour, then mixed everything together till it was properly combined. Next, I added water to it in order to form a batter. At first, I added half cup of water before adding another water. Then mix everything together till it was smooth. For chapati, this is how the consistency of a batter should look like. It shouldn't be too runny or thick. I also added 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil to the batter, then mix everything one more time. To make the chapati, I brushed little vegetable oil in my pan on medium heat, then transferred the batter and allowed to cook. When the batter was set on one side, I flip it over and allow the other side to also cook. For chapati, you need to keep flipping your batter at interval till it is ready. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes. You know your chapati is ready when it starts to turn brown and looks just like this. So I then repeated the same process for the remaining batter and I got about 4 chapati from 1 cup of flour. You can actually be consumed this way with a drink or a cup of tea, but I'll be using it to make the Rolex. So to make the Rolex, I made use of some bell peppers, that's the green and red bell pepper. All I did was just to cut it into small bite size. I also cut up some onion and some scotch bonnet pepper for heat. Next, I went ahead to crack 2 eggs into a mixing bowl, then mix everything together till the egg white and the egg yolk is properly combined. I also transferred the pepper and onion into the egg, then mix everything together till it was properly combined. After that, I added little vegetable oil to my pan on medium heat and allowed to heat up, after which I transferred the egg and allowed to fry. When the eggs were set, I flipped it over and allowed the other side to also fry as well. Remember the chapati we made earlier? This is time to bring it in. So I placed the chapati on one side of the egg, then flip it over just so the chapati and the egg could stick together to each other. If you don't have chapati, you can also use tortilla wrap. This process should take about 3 to 5 minutes on low heat. So when the eggs were ready, I added some coleslaw filling to it, which was basically carrots, cabbage and little mayonnaise. I also added some shredded chicken to it and some avocado. You can choose to use any filling of your choice, probably tomatoes, onion, just anyone that you're most comfortable with. So I just rolled up the eggs and this is basically where it got its name Rolex from, that is rolled eggs. So it's time to cut through. Let's see what our Rolex looks like from the inside. So this is basically what our Rolex looks like from the inside. It's actually looking like shawarma, but this is not shawarma. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.